Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the battery. Now let's tap on more settings, and as you can see here we've got the battery percentage, so let's tap. Here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose, so we can set only the battery indicator. We can display the percentage inside the battery icon, which is currently applied in my case. We can display it outside the battery icon, and you can see that the percentage is more visible. And we can even hide everything, so we won't have either the battery icon or the percentage. It's up to you. I think I prefer the option I had previously applied, but of course up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.